Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to build an Ender portal without modes. First, you're gonna go to settings and scroll a little bit and to tap this, activate the show coordinates. Then you're gonna build 4 blocks of glowstone here and 5 blocks of glowstone here. Now you're gonna dig, or you're gonna just place the command block wherever you want. Oops. Now you put a command block and put a lever. If it's going like this, double tap this thing, this in the middle of your walking. I don't know what this called, but this. And you're gonna stand on your Ender portal. Now you're gonna see your position number here. It's -18, -50. Type it there. And you're gonna break this. And it's a glowstone here and here. You can place any block. Then you're gonna see your position number again here. Type it. This is right. And you're gonna type your last number here. Now break this and put a glowstone again here. Now you're gonna turn it on repeat and type on a portal. Now you're gonna activate the lever and you're done. If you're gonna ask why this portal is too transparent, I use add-on. This add-on. I use this. Search portal and find this better nether portal. If you're gonna ask how to put it in the game, I will make in part 2. So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.